How to turn on or turn off link to Windows sync contacts on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down. In here, tap on connected devices. And from here, go down and tap on link to Windows. Tap on the left hand side panel. And then tap on your link account. Next in here, go down and tap on sync contacts. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on contacts syncing. And here say allow your device contacts to sync to your link Microsoft account so you can access them across Microsoft apps and services. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.